For today's property tour, we are in the southwest end of Las Vegas, and we are going to be checking out the community of Catalina by KB Homes. And for today's property tour, we're going to be checking out floor plan 1768. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout all the Las Vegas area, Henderson and North Las Vegas, subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these brand new construction home tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them and get notified. Now let's get started. All right, guys, today we are in the southwest of Las Vegas, and we are checking out the community of Catalina by KB Homes. And for today's tour, we're going to be checking out floor plan 1768. And this one right here is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,768 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price is $507,990. That does not include any lot premiums or any upgrades, guys. So lot premiums here are starting off at $14,000, and upgrades will kind of just depends on what you end up going with. Rule of thumb I always like to do is just add about 10 to 15% just to give you an idea. It is going to be a gated community. Check it out right there. They do have a total of floor plans, four plans, sorry. So they have 2 models. So they have the 1768. Then right over there, they have the 2175. Just for today, we're just gonna be checking out this one just to keep these videos shorter. And also just to give you a reference on where we're at. We are in the southwest in Las Vegas. So we're about 23 minutes to the strip, 20 minutes from the airport, and 10 minutes from downtown Summerlin. So if you wanna kind of be in between all those, I think this is a nice location for you. And also here in this community, they do have, like I mentioned, 4 different floor plans. They all vary from up to, or 3 bedrooms up to 5 bedrooms, 1,768 square feet up to 2,469 square feet. And they range from 507,000 to up to 570,000 base price, guys. So let's go inside and check out this bad boy. Let's go through the sales office. Over here, let's go inside and take a look. So this is going to be the smallest floor plan that is available here in this community. Look at this. So 9-foot ceilings. Here to the left, that would be your garage door. Currently the sales office, guys, we're not going to be checking it out, but look at this nice flooring. Really love that light color flooring. And then here to the left is the second floor, but let's check it out. This, guys, Love all the windows, very nice and bright in here. Look at this. So let's take a look at this kitchen first. So here, look, white cabinets, stainless steel handles, quartz countertops. Seats about 3 people here on this island. Stove, microwave, refrigerator. And then over here you got your, dual undermount stainless steel sink, dishwasher. And you guys guessed it. Can you guys guess what this is? A pantry. There it is. And guys, like I mentioned earlier, that price I gave you of the $507,990 doesn't include your upgrades. We are previewing these model homes. Just keep in mind that a lot of stuff is an upgrade when you're looking at it. And right over here, you got your living room. Not bad of a size. And then your dining room area. That one seats what, 2, 4, 6 people. You'll probably go a little bit bigger, in my opinion. Could get little things a little tighter. But then over here, if you notice, watch, let me actually, so the kitchen is over there and then tucked in, just like right behind it. And have your powder room right here. Currently being used as a public bathroom, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna see, but I'm gonna show it to you real quick. And then next to it right here, linen closet, and also a coat closet. Really quick, let's go check out the backyard. And just be mindful, guys. This, like I said, this is a model home. You're not gonna get your backyard landscaped how you see it here, but just want to show it to you. That way you guys get some inspo, right? Like I mentioned, so lot premiums here are starting at $14,000, guys. Look at this. Not bad, right? Beautiful day here in Las Vegas today. I think it's perfect weather today. And you are gonna get just a clean slate, guys, just dirt, and just be mindful. You do have 12 months to complete your backyard at minimum, guys, to lay rocks per the HOA, guys. So something to just be mindful when you do buy a new construction home. A lot of people aren't aware of that. And I just want to let you know and up ahead of time, so you can definitely budget for that. Because it depends on what you do. Prices vary. So now, let's go to the second floor. If you guys are enjoying this tour, do me a huge favor, guys. Like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. And also, if you guys would like to come schedule a showing on this plan, guys, I will have my contact info in the description below, guys. I definitely love to represent you and negotiate, the best deal, incentives. At the end of the day, guys, I would love to be with you every step of the way through the process. So as soon as you come up here, you do have a loft. Pretty nice. And then so over there you got the primary, got your laundry, and then you have the 2 bedrooms on this side. So first, let's start off on this side, and then we can check out that primary bedroom last. Linen closet. Bedroom number 1. Decent size. How do you guys feel about that tiger wallpaper? It's like a tiger, and then it has a star on its eye. Pretty cool. Look at this, guys. So here, I forgot to mention earlier, so they're only gonna be building 37 homes here in this community. So not a very big community. So if you're one of those persons, like small communities, definitely, check it out. Let me know. We'll come check it out together, guys, because as you know, if you show up by yourself without an agent, they won't, allow me to represent you. So bring me with you on the first visit, or even your agent, guys. You already have one. Bedroom number 2. So upstairs, 8-foot ceilings. This window's also facing the front, just like the other bedroom we just took a look at. this hallway bathroom. Also, looks like you got the vinyl flooring here in the wet areas, like your bathroom throughout. Obviously, as modeled, it's carpet. But here with KB guys, they're more of a from the ground up builder. They don't have like spec homes like other builders, so you do have the option to customize the home to your liking. That's why it's kind of hard to say on how much upgrades you are going to go with, because every single client is different. There's never been one that's been exactly the same. But here's your laundry room. Look at this, guys. I mean, you're close to nice mountain views right here. Love it. Now let's go check out your primary. Look at this. What do you guys think? So you got 2 windows. And then right over here you have the primary bathroom. Just over here so you can see it good. The stand-up shower with the bench. And then we actually close this door so you can see your dual vanity. Can lighting above. Then you're off to the right. You have your toilet. And then primary closet. What do you guys think? Not too bad, right? Well, guys, this is just the one plan that is available. If you would like to come check out this floor plan, or maybe you want to check out a different floor plan here in this community, I will have my contact info below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.